You can earn $20 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot with this new passive income business in Africa. Payments can be received through PayPal, Payoneer, or directly into your bank account. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still withdraw funds directly to your local bank account. Be sure to like this video and let's dive into the first step. Start by visiting a website called Pexel. Pexel is a platform where you can find an array of free high-quality stock photos, including images, illustrations, wallpapers, 3D renders, textures, and more. But don't worry, you won't need to click or sell any pictures here. Instead, we will use these photos to set up a passive income stream that can earn you $20 every 10 minutes without any active work. Once you are on Pexel, search for a specific type of an animal, for example a dog. Search it in the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up tons of adorable dog images, perfect for what we need. Make sure to choose images where the dog is either sitting or standing, and ensure there is only one dog in the picture. This is crucial for our passive income setup. For example, if you like a particular picture, simply click on it, hover over the download free option in the top right corner, and choose the original size. Save this image to your computer, laptop, or phone. Repeat this process for several other pictures, and consider downloading pictures of other pets, like capybaras. The more unique of a pet that you choose, the more you can sell. You can also use sites like Unplash or Pixabay, as they are also a great resource for downloading high-quality pet images at no cost. The reason we are downloading pet images from Pexels or Pixabay or Unplash, whichever you use, is that they can be used to create custom pet products for free. All the pictures on this website are totally copyright free, and you can use them anyhowly. If I show you an online shop as an example, you will see they sell custom pet phones, pillows, mugs, blankets, portraits, t-shirts, trousers, and more, all using pet photos. The shop owner doesn't need to create or design these images. They simply use a print-on-demand services like Spreadshirt to print and ship the products to customers. The best part is that Spreadshirt handles the printing and shopping cost, taking their cut from the sale amount. This setup is a win-win for both the shop owner and Spreadshirt, allowing them to make thousands of dollars a day by selling products they don't have to physically create or ship themselves. This is all made possible through something called print on demand. It is essentially a dropshipping model where you use images or designs to create products, and a supplier like Spreadshirt provides the white label items like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, and mugs that can be printed on. Spreadshirt integrates seamlessly with marketplaces like Etsy or other e-commerce platforms, making the entire process incredibly simple. Customers provide photo of their pets or a graphic design of anything, and all you need to do is upload the image to the product you want. Spreadshirt takes care of the rest, handling both printing and shipping without you lifting a finger. Once you grasp how this works, the next step is to visit Spreadshirt. As I said, Spreadshirt is a print-on-demand platform where you can find various white label products to print your designs on. All you have to do is select a product, upload your design, whether it's an image, text, or drawing, and list your items on the platform. Whenever someone purchases your item, Spreadshirt will handle the fulfillment and you will earn a profit. Let me show you an example of a shop on Spreadshirt. I'm going to search dogs in the search bar, and we are going to use the first shop that we see. The first shop is designed by someone called Go Clothing. When you click on it, you can see they are based in Germany, and they have uploaded more than 100 products, and that is the cheat code of any website. The more you upload designs, the more the website will push you to customers and you will make money. So just like this shop, you need to start uploading a lot of products and designs or pictures for you to make your first sale. And if you are a social media person, then even way better, because all you need to do is upload on your social media accounts daily and you will find more customers there. This is one of the simplest and free ways to start making money online. So after you sign up for Spreadshirt, click on where it says start selling. After that, click on open your own spread shop. Then you are going to click on the t-shirt looking logo. As you can see, I've uploaded some products, and then you are going to click upload more designs, and you can simply drag your image here or just click on upload. So I'm going to choose an image of a capybara, and I'm going to download it from Pexel. After I've downloaded the picture, I'm going to remove the background of the capybara so that I can have the pets alone. And for that, I'm going to use a free website called Remove Background. After background remover has removed the background, I'm going to simply click on download and then go back to spreadshirt. I will click on upload design and select the background removed picture. As you can see, my image is right here, but it has not been published yet. So I'm just going to click on the pencil, and these are the first options that I have, but I can also simply click on all products so that the picture can be in every single product, whether it is handbags, bags, shorts, children shorts, whatever. I'm going to click on done. Then after you fill in the information of the description and the tags, I'm going to click on publish. And that's all I have to do. I can create different product catalogs on Spreadshirt, as many as I like, and in different categories. For example, tomorrow I can create a catalog dedicated to cats or a catalog dedicated to moms and so on. And this way I'm going to make money. Even if it is $100 a month or even $100,000 a month, you're making money without doing anything. And that is how you can make money online on Autopilot. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Also comment it down below whether you will try this method or not.